Connecting your phone to a Sceptre monitor transforms how you work, play, and consume media. You can mirror your screen or use the monitor as an extended display, significantly enhancing productivity, gaming performance, and media viewing experience. There are three primary methods to connect your phone to a Sceptre monitor. Each method offers unique advantages depending on your specific needs and available hardware. HDMI adapter connection provides the most stable and reliable connection method. For Android devices, you'll need a USB-C to HDMI adapter, while iOS devices require a Lightning to HDMI adapter. This method supports high-quality 4K resolution at 60 Hz with full audio transmission, making it perfect for gaming, video streaming, and professional presentations. USB-C direct connection offers the most elegant solution for newer devices. This method requires both your phone and monitor to support USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode. The major advantage is a single cable that provides the highest quality video output while simultaneously charging your phone. This makes it ideal for extended productivity sessions and desktop-like experiences. Wireless screen mirroring eliminates cables entirely, offering maximum convenience and flexibility. Android devices typically use Miracast technology, while iOS devices use AirPlay. Many modern Sceptre monitors also support Chromecast built-in, which works with both Android and iOS. The key requirement is that both your phone and monitor must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for seamless wireless communication. Each connection method serves different needs perfectly. HDMI adapters provide the most stable connection for gaming and media consumption. USB-C direct connection offers the highest quality output, ideal for productivity work. Wireless mirroring provides unmatched convenience for casual use and quick presentations. Choose the method that best fits your specific requirements and available hardware. First, let's walk through the HDMI connection method. This is the most reliable way to connect your phone to a Sceptre monitor. Step 1. Connect the appropriate adapter to your phone. Use USB-C to HDMI for Android devices or Lightning to HDMI for iPhones. Step 2. Use an HDMI cable to connect the adapter to your Sceptre monitor's HDMI input port. Step 3. Select the correct HDMI input on your monitor using the monitor's input button or remote control. Now let's look at the USB-C connection method, which offers a simpler, single-cable solution for newer devices. The USB-C method is even more straightforward and provides the highest quality connection with power delivery. Simply connect a USB-C cable between your phone and monitor. Your phone must support DisplayPort Alt mode for this to work. For wireless connections, Android and iOS have different approaches. Let's start with Android's wireless mirroring setup. Android devices use the Cast feature for wireless screen mirroring to compatible displays. Go to Settings, then Connected Devices, then Cast. Select your Sceptre monitor from the list of available devices. iOS devices use AirPlay for wireless screen mirroring, accessible through the Control Center. iPhone users can access screen mirroring quickly through the Control Center interface. Swipe down to open Control Center, tap the screen mirroring icon, then select your compatible display device. Looking ahead, several emerging technologies promise to revolutionize phone-to-monitor connectivity. USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4 technologies will provide even faster data transfer and better integration between mobile devices and monitors. Wi-Fi 7 will dramatically reduce wireless display latency, making wireless connections nearly as responsive as wired ones. Universal wireless standards are being developed to eliminate compatibility issues between different devices and manufacturers. AI-enhanced scaling will automatically optimize display settings for the best possible viewing experience across different screen sizes and resolutions. These advances are driven by the growing trend of mobile productivity and gaming on large displays, making phone-to-monitor connections more seamless than ever.